I made 27 of these, each one personalized for an athlete on one of the most famous cheer teams in the country. And it's not just a locker, because once you open it, you won't believe what's inside. Stay with me. Hi everyone, if you're new here, I'm Kathy from the Paper Ninja. I was commissioned to make 27 custom end-of-season keepsakes for California All-Stars Smoed. If you caught my last video, you already saw the finished locker and everything inside them. But today, I want to take you behind the build. I wanted to incorporate two of my signature elements, mini backpacks and mini water bottles. And then it hit me, a locker. What better way to hold a cheer athlete's most prized possessions than their own mini locker? And this project is extra special to me. My daughter cheered at California All-Stars for years. She actually cheered alongside some of the kids that are now on Smoed. And she had Eddie for a coach. So getting to make something for this team, that one was personal. The body of the locker is engineered from cardboard. Spray painted silver so it has that real gym locker look and feel. But the door is different. That's 3D printed. I wanted it to feel more realistic with the detail of the vents and the handle, something I couldn't get with cardboard alone. It has a California All-Stars logo and the athlete's name on the front. And when you open it, inside on the shelf is a team photo and a mini water bottle in Smoed's signature yellow. On the inside of the door, a photo of the team at their bronze medal finish at Worlds. And on the floor of the locker, a mini paper backpack with a Smoed and California All-Stars logo on it, with a real working zipper. And here's where it gets good. When you unzip the backpack, the entire season unfolds. Literally. An accordion of photos from every major moment of their year. Team photos, events, memories, all tucked inside something the size of your hand. This isn't a decoration. This is their season, in their hands, forever. Now this water bottle. Originally, I had designed a generic mini water bottle with a California All-Stars logo on it. But then their team mom showed me what the athlete's water bottle looked like. These custom Yetis the team had received as a Christmas gift. She said it would be kind of cool if they could look like theirs. Challenge accepted. So I redesigned it from scratch. And now it looks exactly like the bottle sitting in every Smoed athlete's gym bag. Same shape, Smoed logo, miniaturized. But here's what nobody expects. It opens. Inside, a scroll. With every competition they attended this season. Every city, every event. The whole journey rolled up and hidden inside a bottle the size of my thumb. I'm a packaging engineer. I design structures that protect things, reveal things, and surprise people. And a few years ago, I realized I could do that for people's most meaningful moments. This locker isn't a craft project. It's a keepsake that tells the story of a season, of a team that worked incredibly hard and deserved something that would never let them forget it. That's what I do at the Paper Ninja. I engineer moments. If you want to learn how to make gifts that make people react, I have a course that's called 3D Paper Gifts That Tell a Story. The link is in the description below. Creating these lockers for Smoed was an incredible experience. But as I was building them, I realized something. I didn't want this keepsake to be something that only one team could ever experience. I wanted a way for teams everywhere to celebrate their own season and create their own story. That idea inspired me to create Season in a Locker. It's a personalized keepsake kit that includes the locker itself, along with access to my easy-to-use print studio. And what I love most is that there isn't just one way to use it. Parents can come together to create a meaningful surprise for their team, or the athletes can gather and build their own lockers for one last activity before the season ends. Either way, the process becomes part of the memory, so teams can fill in their own photos, color, and memories. Because I believe the best memories aren't just the ones we save, they're the ones we create together. If you would like to bring this experience to your own team, you can find the link in the description below. I'm Kathy from the Paper Ninja, where I create interactive keepsakes that turn memories into experiences.